Okay guys, hello, Andrew is here and welcome to my spaceship. This is the operation desk where all the money has been distributed to the world. Okay, well actually what the purpose for this video is, I want to share with you something, but before this I just finished my explanation work for the 7.99. So in a case you are on 7.99, please go back to your back office and watch. There is 4 videos upgraded on how to get results, so we realize how we can get the results as a newbies in a profit, simple steps in a profit, step by step, week by week, and so on. And what else we realize is that I don't know how to use marker because I used to paint myself more than on a desk. It happens, mistakes happens. Anyway, we got the good results. This is for the 7.99. I want to share with you guys about something we all wondering about this. So my question to you is like this: how much do you want to earn per month in profits? And I have been asking this question before, and some people, they say, I want to have 1,000. I want to have $1,000 in profits per month. Well, this is cool, this is excellent. I got 1,000 in my 3rd month. Okay, this is what I explained to 7.99, how we can earn 1,000 per month. This is actually the general purpose of my whole eBay training, how to earn your first 1,000. All right, so this is good. Some people say, you know what, if I would have 3,000, I can quit my job. 3,000 is excellent. Let me take another marker. 3,000 is excellent. 3,000 I like more than 1,000 a month. Okay, this is kind of like the next level. No problem guys, I can show you how to do this. Some guys says, you know what, 1,000 is good, 3,000 is good, but to really have economical freedom I need at least 5,000. All right, 5,000 I like more than 3 and 1,000. And there is no problem, I can show you how to do this one, because I have been earning 1,000, and I have been earning 3,000, and I have been earning 5,000, and I have been earning more. Okay, guys, I want you to understand that my approach to eBay dropshipping is based on my personal experience, is based on those huge mistakes I did, on those suspended accounts I experienced, on those downs and ups. Okay, and what I realized by doing this business in the last 4 years, that this is a process. Okay, this is a process. You start here and you want to go there somewhere, whatever your goal is. Okay, this is a process. This is not only a process, but this is also progressive process. This is progressive realization. We have to go progressively. We have to approach what is in our mind. Everybody says, I want to be successful. It doesn't mean nothing. You are successful because you're still alive. That's true. You are successful because you're still here. You're still watching the video. Okay, you're successful because you are not blind. All right, so doesn't mean nothing. You have to be certain on your goal. What is that you want? Do you want 1,000? No problem, I can teach you that, because if you will tell me that you want 1,000, I will gonna tell you exactly the steps what you have to do. This is exactly what I gave it here, how to get your first 1,000 step by step. 1, 2, 3, then we hit the barrier here, 3, all right, and then the results. Okay, this is okay. So this is like for 7.99 gang. All right, this is the goal. So I will gonna teach you how to go from here, from 0 to there, because this is the most important. You will never get this one if you will not get right this one. It's not possible, guys. It's not possible. Forget about all this bullshit on the YouTube that somebody is jumping there with the big numbers and promising you the, I don't know, fairyland. They are from the, I don't know from which alien ship are there. They are definitely not from my spaceship, okay? So I teach the progress. If you want to earn 3,000 per month, I can easily teach you that, but you have to be willing to learn that, okay? If you want to earn 5,000, I can easily teach you that, but you have to be willing to learn that. And learn, I mean, you have to be willing to go through the process, and in the process, you have to be progressive. And that's what I'm teaching. That's what I'm trying to put in the courses and to teach you progressive realization, how to achieve that. Okay? So I hope it makes sense of all this alpha course. This is like alpha omega. This is alpha omega, okay? I don't know what your omega is, but it's like beginning and the end. What is your omega? I don't know. Some of these omega is 1,000. For some countries 1,000 is crazy good money. I know. For my country is actually crazy good money. From my native country. Okay, for some 3,000 is so. Well, that's how it is. All right, if you are American, 5,000, I can teach you how to do 5,000 the same as the internationals 1,000, because 5,000 for Americans is easy. It's the same easy like for internationals. This why? Because there is a difference in the restrictions. There is a difference what you Americans can use as a vendors, as a suppliers. Internationals are forbidden to use them. Payment methods, vendors, payments, cashbacks, cards, stuff like that. You know, this is all about. This is all what I'm breaking down in my courses, and another extra course is there called eBay bug. All right, the eBay bug. This is the. We have to understand that the eBay is changing something. Okay, all the time eBay is changing something. Sometimes you got stuck, and sometimes you got like, what happening? I don't know what happened. Sales was happening, running, and now I like stuck because of the 8 major mistakes, and I jot them down in the eBay bug. Those are very short videos, but those are so important and so powerful because of those 8 mistakes I mentioned there. Some dropshippers, they quit. Really, because the sales are not happening anymore, because there is some bugs in the way what they are doing, and this is explained in the eBay bug. But you don't need the eBay bug. This is not what you need if you are doing $7.99 in a way as I teaching you. You don't need eBay bug course if you're doing $7.99 an alpha course, because you will not gonna have bugs if you will do exactly what I teach. If you are slightly doing your own way and you don't have sales as you wish, then probably you need eBay bug to rewatch and to realize that, oh my gosh, what I did, this is so stupid. Okay, that's the eBay bug. Anyway, what is your goal? What is that you want? What's that you are shooting for? Are you shooting for 1,000, 3,000, 10,000? What's you shooting for? You have to go through the process, remember, and you have to go through the process in progressive way. And I can teach you both how to do this. Doesn't matter what country you are from. Africa, Russia, China, America, it works the same, okay? I can teach you only what I know. And please understand, this is my method of dropshipping, all right? This is not the perfect This is my method, how I work. This is the way how I make money. I have been 4 years, and I'm so grateful and thankful to that Korean guy who introduced me to the dropshipping, like generally, when I was like, what's that what drop? I didn't know. eBay? Yeah, I know eBay. But after 4 years, my life is totally changed. Absolutely changed. You have seen my pictures probably, and that's like a day and night. Like a day and night. If I was in the night all the time and haven't seen even the light in the end of the tunnel, then now I'm in the sunshine 24/7. Guys, it's up to you. What's your goal? You can do it. You can do this because it works. The question is, are you willing to work? Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope you win. Bye bye.